we're gonna take that.
Didn't even know the freaking Wi-Fi password.
Hi, Lindsay.
What's up, guys?
Linz. Chris. Marley!
Roll call.
Okay, so look at the beautiful scenery on the Burbank Canyon.
I'm just gonna think of this so they can see me too.
So this is what it looks like an overview.
You think a Dallas hike?
Yeah, probably.
What if you like can't see me?
I feel like a nerd.
So that was like a 360 of. Can you see me?
A video, yeah.
Okay, so that was a 360 of a point that we're at in the Runyon hike.
Runyon.
The Burbank Canyon. Oh my god, I feel so dumb. No, I don't. Okay. Say hi, guys. Guys.
Like a drone camera?
To go up or down? Should we go up or down?
Oh yeah, cause look at that ridge up there. That's pretty. Let's just get to that, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, that's where I wanted to go.
Let's go!
Vominos. Everyone, let's go.
Lindsay, how do you feel?
Great.
Chris,
I feel good.
you feel good?
I just forgot water.
This guy forgot his water, brought his dog, didn't bring. Anyways, look at the view. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, look at the scenery and Marley. Mmm, tasty.
Anyways, that's the view. We just did 2 miles and we're so tired. We're about to go back. Hi, Linz. Hi, Chris. Marley. Okay, so we just went to Chick-fil-A because we were hungry and gains. So yeah, I got a spicy deluxe and some, I don't know, some little fry things. And she got a
Grilled chicken sandwich and a large fry.
ooh, and what you got to drink?
Powerade and lemonade.
Got some lemonade. Let's go. Alright, see you later.